How to delete Instagram app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can delete the Instagram app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually delete the Instagram app, there are many ways to delete it. One is you can delete them right from your launcher by simply long pressing the Instagram app icon, then tapping the uninstall option. Some devices will require you to drag and drop to the top of the screen to be able to uninstall that application. The other way you can do it is by simply going to your Play Store app store, searching for Instagram. There also you'll find the uninstall button if you want to. So depending upon what you want to do, you can tap an uninstall button, but more importantly the easier way would be for you to long press on it, then tap the uninstall option, then tap on the OK option to delete it. This way you'll be able to delete the Instagram app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.